I remember that as a kid, I was a very curious child, and my mom always used to tease me, saying that I am the jack of all trades and the master of none. Because if somebody would ask me, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" I would say that I wanted to be a doctor on one day, an astronaut on the other, and something else after few other days. And it took me almost a decade to come to the realization that where my heart actually lies.
We are often expected to make the right choice when it comes to choosing our careers. We are given examples of success stories. And more often, the success stories are of people who have found their career paths at a very younger age. Although we are very skeptical when it comes to choosing the right career path for us because we are too afraid to give in. We are too afraid to take the leap of faith just by imagining what will happen if I fail? How will I face the world? What will people say? Or how will I live up with the failure of my own choices?
We are expected to fit in the molds, but sometimes it's okay to take chances and explore who you really are. I was extremely interested in legal studies and international relations. I thought I had to do something really actively to bring a positive change into the system. I wanted to do something to contribute to bring a transformation into the world. But after spending the major part of my education and young age, I realized that it is not my passion. I no more wanted to work into this field, and it was a huge wake up call for me. I was dreaded to think, what do I have to do to go forward? What do I do now? I have already spent so much time in and money in education. What will I do if I have to change my decision and go back to a completely new path? I think it happens with almost all of us that we have to choose our career options at a very young age. By the time we get into college or universities, we are already into the field of works that we think are correct for us. But not all of us have the liberty or the choice to choose the sector or the field of work that we want to enter into. We often end up confusing between our passion and our interest. Sometimes it may happen that your passion may not lead to success, although sometimes it may happen that your interest or your hobby may end up being the best work decision that you've ever taken. And it's very important to understand what you feel is correct or what you believe to be the right decision or the right choice for you. I recently heard in one of the TED Talks that sometimes you eagerly wait for something, and when that thing actually happens or when you actually get it, it is completely opposite of what you thought it would be. But if you have the option, and we always have the option to at least give it a try, and by that way you'll at least be satisfied that I made an effort, and the failure or the success is no longer in your hand. But trying is very important. After spending almost a decade and procrastinating, and after having a huge fight with my own beliefs, I now feel that I had to make a choice. Although it's going to be difficult to start for me from scratch, from zero again, but still, I would be happier that I made the choice that was right for me. And for me personally, it's very important to be happy with the kind of work you are doing. I always say that your work should make you feel like home, that you are comfortable, that you are more yourself with it than just pretending or just doing it out of the sake of considering it as a job. I remember one day my sister had asked me when I was in the confusion and when I was struggling with the thought of what exactly I want to do. She asked me that, tell me one thing. If one day it happens that you are the only person living on this entire planet, you do not have any friends or family, or you do not have anything else to do, what is that one thing that will keep you going on? And it really made me realize that writing, storytelling is what would make me float, or it would help me stay alive. And that is the reason that I today decided that now I want to be a storyteller. I have always been fond of stories and how things actually work out. And if I look at certain person or if I look at certain situation, I always try to imagine what is the story behind that person, what is the story behind that situation. And this inspiration today has led me to take a step forward to the kind of work that I want to be. It may take another decade or so for me to actually reach to a certain successful point. But for me now, success is more of accepting what I actually want to do as my career. As Mandy Hill said, you'll learn as you get older that rules are made to be broken. Be bold enough to live life on your own terms and never ever apologize for it. Go against the grain, refuse to conform. Take the roads less traveled instead of the well beaten path. Laugh in the face of adversity and leap before you look. Dance as though everybody is watching. March to the beat of your own drummer and stubbornly refuse to fit in.